was one hell of a sunrise, wasn't it? Thoughts?
Huh? What did you say?
It was a hell of a sunrise.
It was.
It's very pretty. In true fashion, I forgot to film anything following the sunrise. What you're about to see is me cooking a barbecue the same evening. Roll the tape. And the burgers are on. Burgers have been assembled by Rhiannon.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be.
Are you washing up?
So Rhiannon is now washing up. You're good at this, babe.
Am I?
Yeah.
You're good at cooking.
We work well as a team.
I am also good at cooking.
Yeah, you are. I will give you that.
Just not barbecue.
Decided to head to the beach to see if we can see a better view of the storm. But it's been flashing away for the last 40 minutes.
I legit
Well, there we go.
thought it was strobe lights from the Patrick Topping.
Yeah, we've been trying to research what we thought it might have been, and Patrick Topping's actually just finished playing, so we thought it might have been him.
I just didn't believe that there was
So-
that many.
We have a code to get out of the gate from the campsite to the beach so that it stops people that aren't welcome. But anyway. Oh. Who's this man? Hello, mate.
I'm just saying his name is Steve.
He looks like a Frederick to me. Babe, you found a new man.
He's hunky.
He is hunky, unlike me. Anyway, moving swiftly on. Yeah. Oh. Let's go see if we can get a better view of the storm. Who would have thought January in Australia was storm season? I don't know if you got that. Ooh. This is cool. This is a very, very cool storm. We found a little spot. So we believe the storm has passed now. We're wandering back to the campsite. Which is a very long walk. 10 hours later. We are now back. We're going to have some drinks, play some cards, and we'll see you in the morning.
Drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be.
Run complete. Now time to go for a paddle in the sea. Rhiannon is on pancake making duty, so I'm going to go for a quick dip for 5 or 10 minutes. and then we will tuck in some yummy pancakes. Pancake time! What are your thoughts on the pancakes, Rhiannon?
They're raw.
They're bloody raw!
Burn on the outside and not cooked in the middle.
I think they look great. It's our last day here in the Gold Coast and our last night in the van. Today it's a bit cloudy. Well, you can see behind that it looks like it might rain. Today we're having a bit of a sort out day. I'm going to go and have a dip in the sea. Rhiannon's going to do a bit of reading on the beach. And then we've got to empty the van. So I will do a little video on the van. I haven't actually done a full video, but we need to fully empty it, get all our stuff out, pack it, give it a clean, etc. And then, yeah, basically just make sure we're organised. Tomorrow we drive to Brisbane and we're going to do a bit of exploring in Brisbane and then hand the van back early afternoon once we've checked into our hotel. So yeah, that's that. Not really a lot going on today, but come along for the ride. So it's the end of the trip and we are now clearing out the van. So it is a tedious task. We've got to sweep everything, clean everything, pack our bags, sort the fridge out, work out what we want to keep, what we want to throw away. Yeah, but luckily it's cloudy today, so we're not missing out on the sun or being on the beach. So, something we did in Australia, we have used a few sun creams whilst we've been here, and back in the UK we use good old Boots, Sultan. Boots, you can sponsor us. And they're like £6-7 each. In Australia they do a kilo of sun cream from Aldi. It's SPF 50 as well, and it comes in this big tub. And it costs £5, which is mad when you think one of those is 200ml. So it's 5 times as big for less money. So we thought we'll stock up because we keep hearing that Thailand's sun cream's either got bleaching agent in it or it's just really expensive because they import like Nivea and stuff. So and just like that, we are somewhat packed up. We've spent, I don't know, nearly
10 hours later.
nearly 2 hours packing. It was actually quite an ordeal in the end.
It was so much effort, but I think it's because the van was full of like other shit, like food and like we were cleaning the van as well as packing stuff.
Yeah.
Whereas like when we're just in hostels or we're in hotels, like we won't have any of that shit. So. Tidy.
Yeah, it's it'll be much easier living out of a bag than living out of the van, then emptying the van and loading up the bags. And it's all sandy and everything's dirty. Also, we've figured out that everything's gone yellow. People say don't bring white stuff travelling. Rhiannon's wardrobe is white, and
my favourite.
yeah, it's all gone yellow. So
That's bad.
hopefully we can do a good old wash at the.
Or we'll just buy new stuff.
Or Rhiannon will spend more money. Yeah. But that was good. We're all done. It's still a bit of a mess, but we won't show you that. Anyway, we're now going to chill out. I might go for a dip. What are you going to do?
Read.
Read. Duh. We've actually decided that we're going to have a beer, which is very unlike me, but better beer.
I'm so proud of you.
So I basically, obviously, for those that don't know, I've always drunk cider. Never liked beer, never liked lager or anything. I've always had a sip of Rhiannon's and I'm like, no, absolutely not.
We've always had you ordering a cocktail or something, me ordering a pint, and they always give you the pint and they give me the cocktail. Just everyday sexism.
Yeah. Or Rhiannon orders a Stella. And don't worry, I'm okay. She doesn't beat me. Rhiannon orders a Stella and I'll order a cider and I'll get given the Stella. Rhiannon gets given the cider. But up until now. So yeah. Cheers.